guys, so my mom got me some American Girl doll things, and I want to show you a couple of them. So we have this pink dress for a couple of the babies. We have these purple leggings for April. These red leggings, I think for April. I think most of the stuff is for April, or it's all for April. And then we have this white dress. I'm gonna use this as her April's wedding dress. This can be for Halloween. It has a whole lot of bats on it, and then gemstones are holding it. And then she has this cute little fancy jacket. And then we have there's another shirt connected to it. But then we have this little dress. Looks very beautiful.
It's mine now.
And then hold on, guys.
I'm trying to go.
Velcro all of these, so then the Velcro doesn't stick to another outfit. And my mom also got me something else I'm going to show y'all at the end of the video. But we have this beautiful shirt for April. It has a rose on it. Okay. Now we have this red polka dot dress. It's not Velcro, so let me go ahead and Velcro it. But here we are. There we go. There we go. Okay. But yep, we have that. We have this. We have this huge fluffy black jacket. Maybe this can go over the dress with bats on it. Maybe. Hold on, guys. Let me go ahead and Velcro it. Lydia, if you're gonna go around me, go over there. Go walk over there. Don't come behind me. Okay, sorry guys. She's not wearing any clothes. But there's this pink dress with a cheetah print heart. Yeah, I think these are all for April. We have this yellow dress. Oh, ooh, that looks beautiful. We have this little mini jacket. Actually, I have a jacket. Never mind, I have a shirt like that. I don't have a jacket like it. But hold on, guys. Let me go ahead and Velcro this outfit. Oh, there's like little circle Velcros.
Nope, not colored on the wall.
Yeah, she colored on the wall.
All that shit in the pantry because it'll get forgotten up there. Okay.
Wow.
Okay, but we have this lavender and white flower dress. Most of these are dresses. I haven't seen a lot of shirts. Or I haven't seen any shirts. But we have this green dress. It's like the yellow dress. Ooh, what is this? I think this is a collar or a skirt. I have no clue. Oh, this is cute. This will be cute for one of the babies. Baby food. I think this for Rafael. That would be cute with him. I think this is a headband. I'm not sure. Where do you go? Not wearing any clothes. This is definitely.
No.
This is
Yeah,
definitely
you
a
can put it
skirt.
under my dresser. Just stick it under my purse. My purse is right in front of my bed.
But yeah, this is definitely a cheetah print skirt.
Get under your.
If you don't know me, well, I haven't talked about this to anyone, but I love cheetah print. So that's a nice touch. Okay, and then we have this dark purple dress. You have these black leggings. I think the black leggings for Rafael. These light purple leggings for one of the babies. I think Bella. So these are all of the clothes. Let me go ahead and put them off to the side. So this is the starting of the other stuff. So first we have this beautiful chair. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do some of the little stuff
Do you
too.
use the Instapot a lot?
A
Do
journal.
you use the Crock-Pot a lot?
We have a computer. You can go ahead and store these. A computer and a journal. Okay, now
For chicken eggs, right?
oh, and then there's a lamp. It's kind of sea vibes or ocean vibes. No video. Leave it alone. We have this rhinestone bag. Not anything in it. Whenever I find something that can hold something, I look inside of it and see what's in it. This has a bunch of pieces of paper. Okay. Hold on, I'm trying to check to see if they're supposed to say. No, they don't say anything. So I'm gonna just. But we have this little cheetah purse for one of the cheetah outfits. No. Mama, I'm trying to color on it.
No.
Yes, you are. Stop.
Just cut it.
Seriously. Sorry, guys. Okay, we have this beautiful blanket. I think it's supposed to go on them while they're in the chair. Put that in the chair. Now we have. We're moving on to the shoes. Oh wait, never mind. Sorry, guys. There's this red headband. It's very beautiful. Now we're moving on to the shoes. So we have these purple slides. They're beautiful. I love them. Okay, I'm gonna go on the next. We have these sandals, these white sandals. Hold on. Oh, I thought it was Velcro, but it isn't. I think the sandals are supposed to be like this. Oh, wait, no, it is Velcro. It is. I thought they were broken, but we have these white sandals. They're really cute. Okay, now we're moving on to the boots. We have these pink boots with some cheetah prints on them.
Okay.
And then there's socks inside of them.
Okay.
I already have some socks, but I don't think they would go with these. But these are for like the really, really bad winter. Oh, they're like snow boots. Okay, now we have some roller skates. skates, roller skates, roller skate, roller skate, roller skate. Okay, guys, let me go. I'm trying to find some things. Oh, we have a camera. That is cute. That's a nice touch. We have a little fake cactus. Starburst. Hold on, guys. So we have a fake cactus. Okay. We have this rainbow thing. 2 starbursts. Oh, I think these are to put in the journal. That's exciting. But why are there starbursts?
I know.
No clue.
Yeah.
It's okay. So let's just put that stuff back in. Okay, guys. So I don't know where the other shoe is to this. I don't think it came with the other shoe. The person who had these before me probably lost it. Lost it. But yeah, there's I don't have another shoe for this, but that is okay. It's fine. I'm gonna go ahead and store some of the shoes up top, and then I'm gonna show you the whole thing. But yeah, I'm gonna just show y'all the whole thing when I put these shoes up. Put that there. Put that there. This can go inside of here. Sorry guys, I'm gonna go ahead and store the camera into these. There's already a sticker on here. It says 8:15. Yeah. Oh, sorry guys. It's backwards for y'all. Here, hold on. There we go. It says 8:15. Well, alright. Focus. There we go. Yeah, it says 8:15. It just went back to blur once I took it off of me. What do I do with this? I don't know. I'm just gonna throw it away. Okay, so we're just gonna fold this up. Put this here. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. Y'all probably saw a little bit of it, but I'm gonna show y'all. Oh, there's this. Okay. It says it's on Saturday, so I'm thinking they're gonna have like a sleepover Saturday and a picnic Saturday. So the first Saturday they're gonna have a picnic. The second Saturday they're gonna have a sleepover, or like a girls' night. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I've been putting everything in. Ta-da! So down here, this is where I got the lamp. Oh, I don't think I showed y'all the lamp. Okay. Close it. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and close it. I'm sorry if I already showed y'all the lamp. I don't remember. But I'm just gonna keep on showing y'all this stuff in here. Yeah, this doesn't close. But in the top drawer, we have her journal and a laptop. the blue laptop actually matches my laptop. This is what I was talking about. The sticker. First Saturday, a picnic. Second, upcoming Saturday, they're gonna be with their dogs. And they're gonna have like a sleepover thing. I already have some sleepover stuff for them, so that's good. But look, there's sandals, the slipper, the slides, and this. I don't have the other shoe to that. Oh no. So, and then we have, okay, so this is one of the top cabinets. Inside of this rhinestone bag is the camera. And then in here, okay, and here we have the cactus, the starburst, the stickers to go in her journal, and this rainbow thing. Go ahead and go to my TikTok or my likey, and try and tell me what this is. Comment on my latest video on one of those, and tell me what this is, because I have no clue. What is it? Whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna put it back in the cabinet. And then we have the chair, blanket, the headband, and the gloves. So that took me 16 minutes to unbox. That's kind of weird. Don't color on them. But we have this headband. I love it. Oh, on the roller skates, there's a little butterfly. And they actually roll. So look, I'm not moving my hand. They really move. I mean roll. It's kind of weird to say they really move. I mean, they're supposed to move. Okay. Now on the bottom, I actually fixed the shoes. I put them like that. This will be hanging over the chair like that. Actually, no, I'm just gonna fold it up. So in the next video, I'm gonna do a video with my American Girl dolls. So this is just how I'm gonna set up for the next video. So y'all can kind of get the scenery. Yeah, it says on the 29th. Right here on the 29th, it says picnic in the park. I'll go ahead and show y'all what it says.
No!
Oh, sorry. But yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and put that on her desk, and then we're gonna open up the computer. Okay, we're gonna open up the computer, put it up there. Go ahead and go into her cabinet with her stuff, her things, bags, and get the camera out. It goes. Oh, we're gonna put that by her computer. Once I'm done setting up everything, I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all. I don't wanna have to show y'all everything because I can't hold y'all while trying to put things up. So we're gonna take out this and go ahead and put this right by the lamp. Gonna take this rainbow thing and put this. Where do I put this? I don't think I put this. Y'all can see the light of the lamp? No, y'all can't. I'll try to move y'all closer so you can see. Okay, it turns off automatically after like 1 minute. Yes, the 8:15 is what goes here.
Enjoy the cake, everybody. I made it special just for Sandy.
I'm allergic to nuts. Are there any nuts in that?
No, no nuts.
Okay.
Oh, unless you count walnuts. I'm pretty sure walnuts are a fruit, though, huh?
Okay, sorry guys. We have SpongeBob on and I was watching
Last time I saw a moon that big, it was in a locker room.
Since when is the moon so green?
My nose bleeding.
Your nose is bleeding?
Yeah,
She always says that, it's not.
Oh, okay.
it does. It does. It does. It does do some
On this, it says at 3 o'clock, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, 7:15, and 8:15. Stop, 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 stop.
I got to do this because I said
Lydia, quiet. I'm gonna go get my charger set turtle. Okay guys, charging y'all up. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what focus. So in here we have the purses, and here we have the stickers on the Starbursts. And then down here we have the lamp, the cactus, the journal, the computer, the rainbow thingy, and the camera. Up here we have the sandals, and the slides, and then that. Down here, there's nothing. And then down here, over here, we have the blanket that is sitting on the chair. We actually, April does online school in college, so that is why she has her computer. But over here we have the chair with the blanket. I'm gonna go ahead and just lay the blanket across like that. There we go. Okay. And then we have the winter boots, snow boots, and the roller skates. Then we have this headband. But yeah. So once this is done uploading, I'm gonna go ahead and make a video on a day in the life with April since I got this. computer, actually. She just started going to online school today. Like I started Tuesday. But her computer is for her to do online. But after this is uploaded, we're gonna go ahead and do a little skit of a day in the life of April. And the babies and Rafael. Yeah. Bye guys.